Do you know what a ton is? Now is your chance to find out. How often do you hear phrases like, I just ate a ton of bacon, or that pig weighs a ton, or maybe I have a ton of chemistry homework tonight, I have a ton of other stuff I have to do today. This term is used quite frequently, even though there is a very specific definition of what a ton is. In both Britain and the US, a ton is 20 hundredweight. However, a hundredweight in the US is 100 pounds, whereas in the UK is at 112 pounds. So that means in British, which we call a ton is called a long ton, and that weighs 2,240 pounds. In the US, we call it a short ton, which weighs 2,000 pounds. So as you can see, there is a variety of meanings of the word ton. We have the short ton, which weighs 2,000 pounds, and that's the ton that's commonly used in the United States. We have the long ton, which is 2,240 pounds, which is used in Britain. And we have the metric ton, which is 2,204.6 pounds, or 1 kilogram. So each of these have its use depending on where you live and what you're using the measurement for. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.